some important gap filling activities on use of prepositions based on the short syllabus HSC 2021. Dear students, good to meet you once again. On the basis of short syllabus, you are going to sit for HSC 21 exam soon. To keep it in mind, we are publishing a very effective suggestion on grammar items one by one in this channel. In this episode, question number 1 will be given. Please stick to our channel and have an excellent exam. Thanks. Note, you will find answer at the bottom of each question set. এখানে বলে রাখি, প্রশ্নগুলো খুব যত্ন করে বিগত দিনের বোর্ডের প্রশ্নপত্রের উপর ভিত্তি করে নতুন সিলেবাসের মান বন্টনকে অনুসরণ করে তৈরি করা হয়েছে, যাতে করে মূল পরীক্ষার একটা আবহ তোমরা খুঁজে পেতে পারো। আশা করি প্রশ্নগুলো বেশি বেশি করে প্র্যাকটিস করবে এবং এতে করে নতুন পরিবেশে নতুন প্রশ্নে নিজেকে সহজেই মানিয়ে নিতে পারবে। তোমাদের সবার মঙ্গল কামনা করি। লেটস স্টার্ট। English 2nd HSC question number 1. Preposition 1. When the sun was setting, A dash the treetops, the jailer came, B dash the room, C dash Socrates to bid him prepare, D dash death. In those days, people were sentenced to death by giving a cup E dash poison in Athens. Socrates knew this and he nodded F dash the jailer. Bursting G dash tears, the jailer went H dash of the room and returned I dash a cup of hemlock. Socrates lifted the cup, J dash his lips. His pupils tried to keep back their tears, but soon the room was filled, K dash the sound, L dash weeping with the cup of poison, M dash hand. Socrates said, "What is this strange sound? I have heard that a man should die, N dash peace. So be silent and have patience." Number 2. Luna's cat was missing, so she started looking around A dash it. She opened her closet and looked B dash, then she went C dash the bedroom, crawling D dash the floor to look E dash the bed. The cat was not here, in fact it was nowhere, F dash the house. Therefore Luna decided to go G dash to look H dash it. Just as she was I dash to open the doorbell rang. It was her neighbor, Mrs. Hawk. "Look, Luna, your cat, J dash, the sunshade," said Mrs. Hawk, pointing K dash, a tall building opposite L dash her house. Luna smiled and thanked her friendly neighbor, saying that M dash, her help, should not be able N dash find out her cat. 3. I caught sight A dash him while crossing the road. I tried B dash talk C dash him, but he was D dash a hurry. He was one E dash my best friends. Both F dash us studied G dash the same school. I had an intimacy H dash with him. Both of us got separated I dash each other J dash the completion K dash HSC examination. Though my heart beats L dash him, I hardly meet M dash him. This is the go N dash the work. 4. Badal lived a dash a village of Bangladesh. He was a schoolboy. There was a canal B dash his way, C dash school, and old breeze was D dash that canal. It was useful, E dash one and all, F dash the villagers, yet none cared G dash its repair. So one day it broke H dash and caused a good deal I dash hardship. J dash the villagers. There were K dash difficulty. They couldn't go to the town L dash the other side of the canal to sell their fruits and vegetables profitably. They sold their production M dash local market, N dash in nominal price. 5. During holiday, when my mother went to sleep, A dash noon, we went B dash the railway line. There along with other children, I watched how the train passed C dash innumerable unknown facts. My father got an appointment D dash the town school, and he moved E dash the town immediately. F dash all the members of the family. I was admitted G dash my father's school. I felt that my school fellows had no feeling H dash one another as we had I dash the village. However, I have gradually adjusted myself J dash town life. I am happy K dash my new friends, but my heart aches L dash the happy childhood days. Childhood is free. M dash or is and has infinite capacity. N dash enjoyment. 6. Our teacher is an architect. A dash our nation. He plays an important role. B dash building up an educated nation. He dispels the darkness. C dash ignorance. D dash the Lord. E dash our nation. He is an actor, so to speak. He has to suit his act according F dash the need. G dash is audience, which is his class. He is a clear speaker. H dash good, strong and pleasing voice, which is I dash is control. It does not sit motionless. J dash is class. Everybody has something valuable. K dash him. A good teacher discovers the treasure hidden. L dash each student. He also wants the students happy, and M dash this he keeps them busy. A good teacher never hankers. N dash money. 7. Patriotism is the quality inherent a dash a man. This is why he feels a natural attachment. B dash his native land. Love C dash motherland is necessary. D dash the betterment. E dash a nation. The people who are patriotic are noted F dash their patriotism. They are different. G dash other people. Their contribution does not sink. H dash oblivion. Oblivion হচ্ছে বিস্মৃতি. They are worthy I dash praise. They lay down their lips. J dash the good of the country. They are not unaware. K dash their status. L dash the society. They are celebrated. M dash their patriotism. They should not be looked down. N dash in any way. 8. We got our freedom. A dash, the sacrifice, B dash, hundreds and thousands, C dash, lives. The patriots, D dash, our land fought, E dash, the oppression, F dash, the West Pakistani rulers. Finally, the oppressors were bound to surrender, G dash, our freedom fighters. But a great number, H dash, the sons, I dash, the land died, J dash, the war. Soon, K dash, the war, the government, L dash, Bangladesh, founded the National Memorial, M dash, memory, N dash, the martyrs. Nine. The science fair held, A dash, our college, paved a new way, B dash, us, C dash, gave the practical knowledge. Many of our friends took part, D dash, the fair, E dash, their projects. We showed genuine interest, F dash, them. Most of the projects were made, G dash, consistent, H dash, the prevailing world situation. They were intended, I dash, acquaint us, J dash, the solutions, K dash, some common problems we are facing, especially in regard, G dash, the environment we live, M dash, we were sanguine, N dash, achieving success, and we really achieved it. And the last one, 10. Greenhouse effect is the gradual warming, A dash, the air surrounding the earth. As a result, B dash, it being trapped, C dash, environment pollution. This is exemplified, D dash, the destruction and burning, E dash, of tropical rainforest, F dash, traffic that clogs, G dash, city streets, H dash, the rapid growth, I dash, industry, the use, J dash, chlorofluorocarbons, K dash, packaging and manufacturing commercial products, the use, L dash, detergents like washing, M dash, liquids, and so N dash. Thank you.
At last, dear viewers, if you like my tutorial, please share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to get the early notification when I will upload the new videos in future. Please stay beside our channel and give your valuable constructive comments. Thank you for watching.